The goal for today is going to be taking this monstrosity, getting it cleaned up, and getting 3 new UniFi switches installed. Let's get into it. Whenever I'm doing a rack cleanup, the first thing I like to do is go through and take a video of all the ports they have currently patched in and just use that to take some notes I can refer back to whenever I'm putting everything back together. They say a picture's worth 1,000 words, and I find a video is worth about 1,000,000 of them. So once I get that video taken, I'm gonna go through and just start some prep work, getting some cable management installed and getting some things shifted around in the rack to make room for the new switches. This is a live network during business hours, so I just try and do everything I can to keep their disruptions at a minimum. Once I have the general layout of the rack how I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and start installing the new Ubiquiti switches. These are 2 of their 48 Pros and 1 of their 48 Pro PoE switches. Once the new switches are powered on, I'm gonna start removing their old patch cables going to the old switches and getting the new patch cables patched into the new switches. And this really helps keep their disruptions at a minimum since they're only unplugged for just a few seconds at a time. And here's the progress so far. I still have a lot of work to do to get this fully finished up, but so far I got all the patch cables swapped out and patched into the new switches, but I do need to do something different with this battery backup situation. Get these 2 Aruba switches out of here, this unused 16 port switch, and then this is an ISP switch that I'm gonna be mounting to the wall, as well as getting some of this cleaned up. Even though I still have some work to do, it is looking 1,000,000 times better than it did before. The only thing that I wish had turned out different is, unfortunately, this patch panel didn't have enough slack on the cable for me to get another cable management between this switch and patch panel. But all in all, it's looking pretty good. Stay tuned for part 2 where I'll be getting this rack fully finished out, and I'll see you guys next time.